All right, welcome back. This is strategy number 2 to talk about subtraction. Now, I told you in the last video that this strategy, you might remember it from addition, because we are going to break apart a number. We're going to break it into friendly numbers or manageable pieces that we can use. And we've talked about that friendly numbers are numbers that end in a 0. So they're easy to use. Now, I'm also going to tell you that when we do this strategy with subtraction, we don't break apart the biggest number. So we're not going to break apart the 634. We're going to leave that as it is. All we're going to do is break apart or decompose the 319. And we're going to decompose the 319 into the value of all the places. There's that word place value. So we're going to be breaking apart or decomposing the 3 into 300. Because we're doing the value, what it's worth. We're going to break apart the 1 into 10, because that's in the tens place. And we're going to break apart the 9 into 9, because it's in the ones place. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, so we're going to start with the big number of 634. And we're going to start with our biggest place, which is the hundreds. And we know the value of that 3 is really 300. Okay, Miss Elliott, how'd you know it was 300? I'll show you a trick. Bring down the 3 and then put zeros in these two places. Bingo! We can see the value of the 3 is 300. You want to see how you do it with the other one? Bring down the 1 and put a 0 where the 9 is. Bingo! The value of the 1 is really 10. And then the 9, we bring it down, but look. There are no other places, so we don't have to add anything. Okay, so we're going to say 634 minus 300. Okay, what does that equal? If you said 334, kiss your brain, because your brain is on fire. So 334. So we've taken care of our hundreds place. Now we're going to go into our tens place. So we're going to take 334 and we're going to subtract the 10. So 334 minus 10 is 324. Now we've taken care of the tens place. Now we have to do the ones place. So we're going to say 324 minus 9. Now, some of you might be like, well, that's kind of hard for me to do. Well, couldn't you turn that 9 into a friendly number like 10 and say 324 minus 10, that's 314, and then add back, add back the number that you took away. So we could say 314 plus the 1, and that would give us 315. Now that was a really higher level way of doing it. Or you could say 324, and you could put up 9 fingers. This is a strategy that I show my boys. Put up 9 fingers and count backwards. Oh, there's that backwards counting. So 324, 323, 322, 321, 320, 319, 318, 317, 316, and 315. And look there, guys. We get the exact same answer that we did when we did our number line. Now, you say, Miss Elliott, we had to subtract 319. Where is that 319? All I keep seeing is 634. Let me show you where the 319 is. Look here. 300 plus 10 is 310. And 310 plus 9 is 319. So there it is. We've just done the same thing, guys. We've just put it in a different format or a different strategy. Okay? Now, those are just 2 strategies. You may have something completely different. Be on the lookout, because later on this week, you're going to see another strategy. Might be a strategy that your parents or your grandparents or your older brothers or sisters know how to do. Okay? Might be the old school way or the traditional way, okay? But for now, here are just 2 strategies that you can use if they make sense to you. All right, that's it for strategy number 2. Until next time, have a great day, and I will see you soon.